Both of these golf carts started their life on a golf course. The only difference is this one has a rear seat kit. A golf cart rear seat kit is a set of parts you install on your two-seater cart to instantly double your carry capacity and transform your golf cart into a four-seater vehicle. Most all rear seat kits these days have a flip function, allowing you to haul cargo or store items while you don't have passengers on board. There are 3 levels of quality when it comes to rear flip seat kits: economy, premium, and deluxe. Economy seat kits typically have a simple steel frame, a steel diamond plate cargo bed and flip plate, and basic cushions that have marine-grade UV materials to protect against fading. Some higher-level economy seat kits come with longer-lasting plastic beds and plastic foot plates. Economy rear seat kits may or may not include a rear safety grab bar. Be sure to check this when you're shopping for yours. These seats are typically between $375 and $475 in price. You can dress them up by adding armrest cup holder cushions if desired. Premium seat kits are next. These are typically a steel frame over high quality and durable injection molded plastic. This thick polyethylene is incredibly strong, will not rust, and has a stylish look, which includes an additional function over economy seats, such as built-in cup holders and a hidden storage compartment. Cargo beds on these seat kits are made with the same durable plastic as the seat body. And these seats will typically include a large and sturdy rear safety grab bar to keep your passengers secure while riding. These premium seat kits are normally between $550 and $750 in price. Finally, we have deluxe seat kits. Deluxe seat kits look exactly like this premium seat kit, except they have an aluminum frame, meaning you'll never have to worry about rust. Being aluminum, these seat kits are the most expensive on the market. They retail between $850 and $975. Rear seat kits are fairly easy to add to your cart. They take the average do-it-yourself customer roughly 2 to 4 hours to install. Once installed, rear seat kits give your golf cart incredible utility to carry more passengers and to haul more cargo. One final thing to keep in mind. If your cart is older, you may want to replace your leaf springs with heavy-duty rear leaf springs to handle the extra weight of more passengers. Please like this video to help us out and subscribe for more. And to get your rear seat kit today, go to golfcarttiresupply.com.